Hey guys, wait! Okay, so for today's science talk video, we will gonna talk about what is the difference between nuclear fusion,
And what are the good uses of these two to change the future?
Okay, so my name is Ace Jan Loreto,
And my name is Roland Biconanan.
And I am Cousin Sandro Del Campo,
and we are the representatives of TBL Department. Okay, so let's start with fusion. What is nuclear fusion? In the word fuse, it means combining or fusing two or more lighter elements into a larger one. For example, we need two isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium. And when we combine those, we will get helium. And it will give the neutron gas lots of energy. But there's a catch. Okay, so when combine or fusing those elements, you will need lots considerable of energy just to fuse those, even the lightest element. According to the scientists, it would take 100 million degrees Celsius just to force the nuclei to fuse together. This is my example, a protostar. Okay, so what is a protostar? So a protostar is a very young star, and then when the energy from the collapsed gases inside the star, it would heat up, and then now the nuclear fusion begins.
Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the splitting of a large atom like uranium. 235 which is used often for nuclear fission. A neutron strikes uranium 235 which then becomes a very unstable uranium 236 which quickly split into lighter elements and gives of additional neutrons, gamma rays, and energy. These new neutrons then strike other uranium 235 which repeat this process.
Okay, so next I'm going to explain what are the good use of fission and fusion that can change the future and making everything easier. Nuclear fission, we can get an abundant energy. Fusion could provide a significant long-term and abundant source of a low-carbon energy with a virtually limitless fuel from hydrogen isotope using an hadron collider. In nuclear fission, we can harness low-carbon energy. As a component of a low-carbon energy solution, fission is crucial in meeting growing electricity demands without producing greenhouse gases using a nuclear reactor.